Okay, good morning. What we're going to test here today is a Mitsubishi alternator for the Nissan charging system on the Nissan 2010 to 2014 Murano, Maxima, and Nissan Quest. This is reference number 11341. And you see I have the harness hooked up here. What I have here for my test bench, if you want to see that, I have the lamp hooked up to the L terminal. I got the sense hooked up to the sense wire, and then I have my COM02 box connected to the C pin. Now the C pin on the regulator, this is an LS and C. C has many definitions. This one is a C, which stands for pulse width modulation. So we have to put a square wave signal into it to be able to adjust the voltage like it does on the vehicle. So what I show here is that this is the COM02, our new COM02 tester, and I have the yellow hooked up to positive. I got the black hooked up to ground, and this is the input signal of the or out signal of the RC signal coming out of the box to control the C pin. So we're going to start the test bench up now. But you should see the battery dash light come on, the tester comes on, and the regulator starts charging. We'll let the load kick in, and we'll get it up to about 4,000 rotor RPM. What we have is the square wave signal is sending a pulse width modulation duty cycle, and we have it set on 13.5 volts. So first, what we want to test here is making sure that the regulator will communicate with the different voltage V-sets and commands. Now you see that we put a square wave signal command in at 14.5, 14.4, and then we'll do next, and the command is at 15.1, and here's the 13 volt command. And we're back to 13.7. So now what I want to demonstrate is what happens when we disconnect the sense wire off of the regulator, like if the vehicle lost the battery sense going to the alternator. And you'll see that over here on the test machine that the battery light comes on and the voltage goes to 16.5 volts. So that would tell you instantly that you have a blown fuse in the sense wire. We'll reconnect the sense, and you see everything goes back to operating voltage. Now we will disconnect the COM signal from the alternator, and you see here is that the regulator goes into a default mode of 14.5 volts. So that will tell you right there. And on the vehicle also, if you're not getting a good communication on the vehicle from the PCM, that and you can't adjust the voltage, is that you got a bad PCM. We could reconnect it, and you see everything goes back to normal, and everything starts operating properly. So this is how you demonstrate the new COM02 box, testing it with a C pin function, and connecting it to the alternator or on the vehicle. Thank you.